Forging Steel Products was founded in 2010 from the unification of different companies with more than 75 years of experience in the steel sector. Located in the Triangle Estudio business area, 25 minutes from Bilbao Airport, we develop projects worldwide. With 8 forging lines, we process an average of 12,000 tons of material per year, creating unique pieces. Quality is guaranteed thanks to 4 presses, 4 hammers, 6 precision cutting lines, and all the necessary auxiliary equipment for forging and finishing. Our engineering department transforms ideas into tailored solutions through technical expertise and digital precision. We work together with the client, remotely or at their premises, always close to their projects. We develop our activity mainly in the mobility sector, automotive and railway, and also in public works, in agriculture and in the electrical sector. All this activity is supported by a united team that looks to the future, always learning from the past and building the present. FSP's Forge School trains workers and transmits expert knowledge to future generations. At Forging Steel Products, we are committed to sustainability and the environment, reducing our carbon footprint and collaborating with local suppliers. The continuous improvement is a rule that guides us to protect the planet. Safety, freedom, and equality at work are essential values to promote the personal and professional development of our workers. Forging Steel Products, forging the future. We are excellence and precision at the service of tailored solutions. Join us on this exciting journey into the future.